Good morning, children. How are you today? Good? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. I'm Sri Lakshmi, your English teacher. You might be wondering why I am here, right? I know. I'll tell you and I'll let you know. Okay? So, as these are unexpected holidays, I hope you are not making any troubles to your parents, right? I know you are good children. Don't create any problems to them. Just listen to your parents, right? Apart from playing and watching TV, spend some time. Try to spend some time for your studies also, so that it might be helpful to you after the school reopens. Okay, and you can cope up with the academics, right? Good. So as this is summer season and the days are very hot outside, so try to keep a bowl of water or a mug of water in the corridors or in the windows, wherever it is possible, so that whenever the birds need the water, they can drink and it will be very helpful to them. So, you know, sharing is caring, right? Right, good. So, today I am going to show you a few things and I will ask you about them. Okay? Right. So let's have a look. Now tell me, what is this? This is a sketch pen, right? Yeah, sketch pen. How many are there? One sketch pen, right? Good. Now, can you see this? Can you see them? Can you see them? Yeah? Yeah. What are these? These are pencils. Right. Right. Good. Pencils. How many are there? There are 6 pencils, right? 6 pencils with me. Right. Now, I'll show you something interesting which you all like, right? What are these? These are chocolates. These are, can you see them? Can you see them? Right. These are chocolates. Do you love chocolates? Right? I know all of you love chocolates very much, right? I also love chocolates. So how many of them? 3. Good. There are 3 chocolates. So you can count them, right? Now let us have a look. What are these? Can you see them? Yes? Yes? What is this? This is rice. This is rice. Now tell me, can you count these granules or seeds? Can you count how many? 1 rice, 2 rice? Can you say like that? No, we cannot say like that. But if I ask you, how many bowls are there, bowls of rice is there in my hand, then can you tell me? Yes, you can say 1 bowl of rice. Likewise, can you say this one? Can you tell me about this? What is this? This is a woolen bundle, right? Woolen ball or bundle, you can say, right? So Can you count the yarns in this? Yes? No. How can we count? We can say just one bundle, two bundles, like that, right? We cannot say the yarns in that. Likewise, can you see this one? Yes? This is water. This is water, right? So, can you count the water? No. How can we count? We cannot count. But if we ask you how many glasses are there, how many glasses of water is there, then you can say one glass of water, two glasses of water, like that, right? So, as I show you just now, these pencils, chocolates, books, pencils, rice bowl, glass of water. What is this? What are all these? These are all nouns. These are all nouns. So, some of them we can count and some of them we cannot. We cannot count. Right? So, now you all have come to an idea about what topic we are going to discuss today. Right? Yes, I'll tell you. Yes. We are going to discuss about the nouns of categories. Right? Categories of nouns. That is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Right? So, before going into the topic, let us recollect from the third class how many types of nouns are there. Right? Right. Can any one of you tell me how many types are there? Yes? One by one. Yes, right. Tell me. Yes, 5 types are there. As we learnt in the third class, 5 types of nouns are there. What are they? Proper noun. Yes. Common noun. Collective noun. Good. Material noun and abstract noun. Very good, very good. You still remember the things what you have learned in the third class. Very good, very good. So, let's have a look on the list of the nouns. See here. How many nouns are there? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay? Before going into the topic, main topic, countable and uncountable noun, we will have a brief look about the nouns. Okay? Now tell me, what is a proper noun? Right? Proper noun means, yes, tell me. Yeah, particular name of a person, place or thing. So, we can give the examples like some name of a person. Rama, Krishna, something, Sneha, right? About the things, chair, box, book, whatever. And about the places, Hyderabad, Chennai, and etc. etc. Right? And about the idea, because proper noun is the particular name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Right? What are the ideas? That means happy, sad, like Okay. So now let's have a brief look. Name of a particular place, thing, person, or an idea. Right? You can write the examples like this. Okay? Now, coming to the common noun. So, what is a common noun? That itself has the meaning, which is in common. Common of what? Person or things. Right? Like boys, men, women, like that, persons. Okay? And about the things, photo, magazine, books, like that. That means the name given in common to a person, thing, is a common noun. Common noun, right? Okay? Here are the examples, right? So, now, can you tell me what is a collective noun? What is a collective noun? Tell me. Yes. Collection of things. Okay? Collection of things. And group of persons. Right. Group of persons. And the name of the group. Name of the group. Right? So we can say a collective noun is the noun which the name of a group, collection of things and persons of same kind. Right, right. So here are the examples. Bunch of keys, flock of sheep, crowd of people. Right? Right? Can you see? Right. Now coming to material noun. What is a material noun? It is about a substance. It is about a substance. Okay? The name which tells about a substance. That means a bowl of rice, right? A bowl of rice and a bottle of milk. We can say like that. Okay? A glass of water. Okay? A bowl of rice, bowl of sugar. You can say like that. Right? Now, coming to the last one. What is an abstract noun? What is an abstract? Abstract means which we can see but which we cannot touch. Yeah? That is, it is a feeling, right? It is a feeling. It tells about the quality. It might be a feeling, a quality, or the action you do, or in which state you are, right? So, what we can say? Name of a feeling, quality, action, or state, right? Right. So, what is, you can say about the feelings as sad, love, yeah, angry, like that. Okay? And so, coming to the countable nouns. Most of the common and collective nouns comes under countable nouns. Most of the common and collective nouns comes under countable nouns. That's why we recollected all these types of nouns, and remaining material nouns and abstract nouns, almost material nouns and abstract nouns comes under uncountable nouns. We will learn about the uncountable nouns later. First, we will learn about the countable nouns. That's why we recollected all the types of nouns. Now, coming to the countable nouns. That means, what is a countable noun? What is a countable noun? Countable noun means, can anyone of you tell me? Yes, tell me. Yeah, which we can count. That itself has the meaning of countable nouns. That means, if we can count the nouns, then we can call them as countable nouns. Okay? We will learn about the countable nouns. Okay? Now, suppose, how can we count? If you have a pencil, then you can say one pencil, right? If you have 4 pencils, then you can say 4 pencils. You can count as 4 pencils, right? Likewise, if it is a cat, if a cat is going on the road or something in the windows or on the compound walls, what we can say, there is a cat, right? That means you can tell it as one cat, right? Like that. Okay? So, if there are more than one cat, what will you say? Suppose 2 or 3. 3 cats are there. That means you are counting the number, right? Likewise. So, what we can say as a definition, right? A noun which has a plural form and so can be counted. That means a noun which has a plural form and so can be counted is called countable nouns, right? Countable nouns. That means a countable noun, it might be in the singular form and as well as in the plural form, right? Okay. For example, pen, pens. 1 pen, 2 pens, right? We can say as an examples, right? 1 pen, 2 pens, like this. Okay? Almost all, as I said earlier, almost all the common nouns and collective nouns comes under countable nouns. Okay? So, how can we, what are else we can say about the countable nouns? Suppose, if the countable noun is in singular and plural, if they have if the countable noun is in singular form, then we can put the articles. What are the articles? A and T. So, if they are in the singular form, okay, they are in the singular form, we can put a or an before the countable noun, right? Like a book, a box, a chocolate, a chair, a bus, like this. Okay? And an egg, an umbrella, an elephant. So, if the countable noun is in singular, we can add the articles. We can add the articles. Like here, we can precede a or an article